I'm Phil, and I'm just really bored, so I'm gonna take the garbage out.
What the hell? Hey, I'm back from Mexico. I got this beautiful carpet and a beautiful Mexican fiesta box.
What? Yo,
It says
man,
Fiesta.
let me just take care of your bag.
We can totally use this carpet for my bathroom.
Let's see what you got for me.
Okay, I got some souvenirs. Okay, this one is for you, because I hate you. But sometimes I love you, and they're broken, because you're horrible. And sometimes I like you, and sometimes I hate you, and my heart is just broken in two. I don't understand.
let me just make this straight. You went to Mexico and brought back a box of crayons.
Yeah, they're Mexican crayons.
And the box is Mickey and Minnie Mouse Fiesta.
Yeah.
You confuse me to the part I don't even want to know you. Well, I have 2 Judases. Exactly.
See, this is the time I bring out my feminine side. I like decorating with crayons.
Why don't you decorate yourself out of the family picture? I'm gonna color your face orange.